Hello. So this is just a very quick tutorial to show you how you can set up your Google Meet link specific to your Google Classroom. This is a brand new feature that Google Meet and Classroom just integrated. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to this little gear icon right here. This is where all of your settings can be found. So you're going to click that. You're going to scroll down and you're actually going to see the Meet icon here. And I had already previously generated a Meet link previous to starting this video, so that's why one's already here. On your screen, it might say generate a Meet link, and you would just click yes. And then you want to make sure that this is also selected so that it's visible to students. And then I'm going to hit save. And then it's going to take me out, and up on the top here, right where your class code can also be found, you will now see this classroom specific Meet link. What's nice about this and advantage to turning this feature on is that it creates a unique code so that just people who are in your Google Classroom would be able to access that Meet link, so you don't have to keep generating a new one. But it would also be individual. So your first and your third period class would have different links and always know where to access it. Hope that's helpful. Thanks.